What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Man, am I excited. I want to give a big thank you and shout out to Paul from Left Coast Model Car Builds because I received a package from him. I already opened it out of the box, but I have not opened up this one right here. This little box right here right in front of me. Very excited. Let's do it. Let's open it up. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, we got the mug right here. Check it out. Oh man, look at this. This is beautiful right here. It says, "Thanks for the support." And here we have his YouTube channel. If you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe and check out his channel. Left Coast Model Car Builds. There you see the YouTube logo. Beautiful model car right there. Check it out right here. Then right here it says Bella, June, Paul, and Pops. Man, this is cool, man. Awesome. So let's go ahead and set this aside right here. This is super cool, man. Thank you. Thank you. There's also some other items that he sent over to me as well. And this is another item that I'm very excited about. Check it out. Bam, the shop card. The official Model Cars and Coffee shop card right here. This is something he does every Sunday morning. And it's also something that's done in the YouTube community here. You know, every Sunday, everyone gets together. They post their videos. You know, they pour themselves a cup of coffee. And, you know, everyone just checks in and talks model cars and has, you know, their coffee. So this is super cool, man. Thank you very much. You know, it's a beautiful 57 right there. Such a nice card right here. So, man, I feel like I'm part of the club now, man. Thank you very much for this. And then he also added some other cards right here that I'm going to share with you guys right here. If you guys could see this. Established 2023. Thank you for all the support. Bella, June, Paul, and Pops. Year 2. And then there you see all the photos of the family and also the builds. That's pretty cool. And then let's see, there's another one here. Let's set this one there. Here's another card with Paul's daughter there with her build. And then this one reads, "Thank you for all your support, Bella, Paul, and George Maddox. Established 2023, year 1. Nice. Let's set this one here. And then, oh, look at these two. These are so awesome. It says, "Thanks for participating." This is the Customs Illustrated Traditional Custom Car Magazine Hot Rods Illustrated 2025 group build right here. And we also have this flyer here. This is the 2024. So these are some keepsake items right here. Very amazing and awesome artwork right there. Let's set these over here. And this is not it. This is not it. He also hooked me up with some other things that I will also, you know, I want to bring these up as far as like the magazine preview nights that I do. So check it out. He blessed me with 3 issues of Customs Illustrated right here. Issue 29. We also got issue 49 and issue number 52. Check that out right there. Here, I'll give you guys a quick little glimpse as to what's in here. I've never owned any of these. This is the first time right here. I have these in hand. Look at this. We're just going to flip through a few pages right here. There's a lot of beautiful and nice custom cars. You know, when I got them, I was like, wait, what is this? There's a lot of history, a lot of stories. There you see George Barris right there. That's awesome. There's just a lot of cool things. Ooh, look at this. Watson, his shop right here. Larry Watson, the man. Look at that. Ooh, that's it, guys. That's the teaser right there. Man, thank you so much, Paul, for hooking me up with this. You gave me all this stuff, dude. This is awesome. This is a lot of stuff you gave me right here, man. Very appreciated. You know, like I said, guys, please check out his YouTube channel right there. It is a beautiful mug right here. I'm going to be taking care of this right here, and I can't wait to drink some coffee out of this. And also, you know, I look forward to creating some videos on Sundays for the Model Cars and Coffee. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time. All right, guys. Peace out. Take care. Later.